Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Form inputs, input group text, form check, and more. Let's start coding. I want to assign background color and some margin values for body first. E.g. warning and margin start 5 and margin end 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. This is our background. Let's start input group. I'm going to create a div with class name input group. And also I want to add margin bottom. Let's assign a span first. And let's assign our class name for span input group text. And let's assign input and class name form control. And let's add a placeholder to username. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use icons like this. We just created a span and put input next to the span. We will use that things in our future projects. Let's have a look at another one. Div with input group class name. And margin bottom 3 and the input class name form control and placeholder username. And let's create our span. Class name input group text. And our text is example.com. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create sort of inputs for your project. Let's have a look at another example. Let's create a label first and class name form label. Let's say your username URL. Let's create a div with input group class name. Margin bottom 3. And let's create a span first. Example.com users and class name input group text as we did before. And let's add our input class name form control. And let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use input like this too. It is depend on your project. If you want, you can use that sign middle of the input. For example, let me copy the first one. Let's add a HR and paste it. Let me copy that input. Let me delete that space. That one is username and we can make that one domain name. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use your sign middle of the input. Let me copy first one more time. I want to show text area using with that sign. HR and we put that one. Let me type here text area, and I also want to change the input with text area tag name. Let's change placeholder to text area. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use it for text area too. I want to copy first one again. And let's add a HR. I'm going to show different size of input. Let's start from small one. We just need to add another class name, input group SM. And let's change placeholder to small size. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, this is small size. Let me copy that one and have a look at large one. We just need to change that one LG, and you can change placeholder to large. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, that one is large. If you don't use anything else like LG or SM, it means default size. Let me copy and remove that things and have a look at default size one more time. Default. As you see, we don't use any extra class name. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, that is default size. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.